So today I'm trying something different, something that will be surprised, the futuristic. So today I'm going to take you to Wuhan, the famous Wuhan in Hubei province in China. So I will be taking a train that looks totally different than before. First of all, the train is suspended from the track and hung above the ground instead of sitting on the rail. The entire train moves underneath the beam. From inside, you can see straight down through the windows, which makes the ride feel more like floating when traveling. The system used optic valley to move people efficiently, while saving space in busy urban areas. It's quite smooth and very different from normal trains. This is suspended monorail in Wuhan. Welcome to my video. So guys, can you see the train? Just see it. Just see the train. This is the train. That is the train. Wow. It's upside down. You can see very clear. What's up, my people? It's raining today, and today I'm in one of the famous trains here in China, the train that is upside down. So I'm going to try it today. Make sure you subscribe. Welcome to my channel and enjoy all the vlogs that I've been doing. So you can see this is the train that I'm talking about, and I'm trying to figure out how I'm going to go to that station there and try my first upside down train. I'm hoping it's going to be a nice experience. You can comment on that video. I think I'm lost because now my map is telling me that I need to go this way. This is the problem of using a map sometimes. It's kind of very hard to find some location while blogging, and it's raining. We have some light rain here. I'm hoping that this map is taking me to the right direction. I don't want to be lost again. So you can see, like on my background, that place there, and I want to go there. So make sure you watch the whole video and enjoy. Why is this like map taking me to zigzag? It's called zigzag direction, zigzag route. Yeah, and I'm very happy today because it's my first time to experience this. So let's go and have some experience here. Keep telling me to go this way. Why is it like okay? So it is telling me to go in here, this direction, and this is the rail. You can see it's actually upside down. We have some rails on that. This, why is it like behaving like this? You can see here. You can see this one. It's very wonderful and nice, futuristic. So let me go and see how I'm going to buy the ticket for this train today. So I just arrived in this train station here. I need to go there and buy tickets. I just saw online it's kind of 30 RMB. Yeah, something like $4. So this is the rail. So let me just go and see what's popping. There's some light rain, which is a bit annoying. So let's go and see. I just bought my ticket here and I'm super tired because I got rained and I'm super, like everywhere my clothes is just wet. Anyway, let's see. You can see this is the escalator. I'm just gonna wait like 5 minutes and then we'll have a nice experience, because I think the next thing I will do, I will just take a taxi because I didn't know the station, the location of this station, and I got lost. Chronicles of being a foreigner here in a new place especially. But in the next time if I come, I will not get lost. That's a good thing about here. So this is the next train that is coming right now, and let's wait and see.
Dear tourists, the train to Langfang travels approaching. For your safety, please select tourists flight first. And once the deputy
You can see there's this train coming here.
Thank you for your cooperation.
Why is it very slow? It's a bit slow. I don't know if I'm going to capture it very well. Let me just go a bit further for safety reason. And now this is the train.
Hello tourists, for your it is strictly prohibited to
Everyone is taking a video.
dangerous goods into the station. Thank you for your cooperation.
So let's go and have some fun and see what's new here. Misha, 我不要拍你啊。So this is the thing. 你是几岁了？啊，7岁，我也7岁。我也7岁了。不相信我吗？
不相信他吗？
我是你叔叔啊。
对，要喊叔叔。
So this is the thing. So
亲爱的游客，您好，
let's see.
欢迎乘坐光谷空轨
see.
旅游观光线。本次列车
啊，在这里和1号吧。
请注意，请问老旧地盘椅和其他车内设备。
So you can see ground floor here. It's just moving. This is the
Please hold on tight and watch your steps. Next station is Kaohsiung Boulevard Station.
just see.
Tourists who need to get off, please get ready in advance. 驶出九峰山站，
It's just moving here.
沿东西两侧是我们的西苑公园和金公山公园。
You can see some vehicles down there.
通过山体修
So we are just above the road.
成为运动休闲乐园。
And we have this. You can just see like this is the train here. And I'm just here like, what's up guys? So it's a very nice experience. You can see like the way it's moving here.
尊敬的各位游客，列车前方是
Wow, very nice.
高新大道站，请站稳扶好。
Moving very nice here.
需换乘地铁11
The
号
futuristic of this train is
请提前
super
做好
cool.
下车准备。Dear tourists, the train is about to arrive at Kaohsiung Boulevard Station.
You just keep moving here. Just want to snap some photos here.
亲爱的游客，您好，欢迎乘坐光谷空轨旅游观光线。
So let's go to
列
the
车开往
the
龙
other
泉
side
方
and
向
see.
请站稳扶好，down tight.
So actually I just noticed that it doesn't have a driver or control. You can just see this is the first end and the other one is the last end. So this is just the way we are moving here.
是关谷中央生态大走廊的核心片区。
is actually attached upside down. These are rails, but it's not that clear because we just had rain like 5 continuous hours. Make sure you enjoy the ride here. Wow. So I think it's being controlled at the station all automatically. It's being controlled because we have some controls here, I can see. So this is the futuristic training Hubei province. These are buildings here. So you can see like we have some, they are very huge. It has already slowed down.
Dear tourists, the train is about to arrive at Kaohsiung Second Road Station. Please hold on tight and watch your steps. Be careful and be safe. Tourists for the tram line L2 and metro line 19, please get ready in advance.
There's another train coming on the opposite side. You can see some lights there. There's a train, you can see it's coming. It's coming. So we are leaving and it just arrived. Yeah, so this is the situation here. Actually, it doesn't have a driver. Or what do you call someone who drives train? So it doesn't have a controller or a driver. It just moves by itself. Actually, we also have a taxi that moves by itself here. It doesn't have a driver. I will try it later. Maybe by the later today I will just try it because I need to do some verification and registration. So you can see this is a train here. So you can see the waves moving down. This is the ground. And on the other side you can see this is the upper side. Yeah, you can see the waves moving. So this is the place here. So it's very quiet and calm. We have a lot of people coming to use this train. It's kind of like tourist attraction. So I'm just like enjoying this ride. It's kind of good and has a lot of futuristic models. Like it doesn't have a driver, and actually I think the train moved from one point to another is like 10 kilometers apart. Yeah, that's what I just read somewhere. I discovered that from the station where I came from to the last station is 10 kilometers. Then they have some seats here which
This train is
They are a
bound
bit
for
comfortable.
Longquan Station.
Just check the outside
Hold on
view
tight
here.
and watch your steps.
This
Next
is the outside
station
view.
is Longquan Station. Tourists who need to get off, please get ready in advance. 列车即将到达终点站龙泉山站。
Yeah, that's the view, and I'm just seated here
通过
enjoying the
龙
ride.
泉山城市景观阳台
If you
为
haven't subscribed, click the subscription button here.
汉风的设计理念，
Yeah,
融合
it's
基
just
础
free.
文化的
We
技
have
术
so
工
many
程，
vehicles parked
通过
on this
现代材料和
outside.
手法，延续了
And this
城
place
市
to
的
look,
传统建筑
I think it's an ecological place because we have so many trees here. You can see outside here, we have so many
有
trees.
灵泉寺和
So
民主
seems
文
like
物国家考古遗址公园，拥有
we also have some farms.
的烟雾分工带。我们在站台即可
We have
眺
some
望
farms
远
here.
处龙泉山风景，感受自然景观。
So you can see the view here. It's just viewing here. We have so many plants outside. On this place here, we have so many plants and trees. We have some farming going on here, and we have a lot of water bodies. I think it's because of the rain and the snow that has melted, because I just noticed that the past few weeks it was snowing here.
尊敬的各位游
So
客，
I just see
列
like
车
the view
前
here.
方即将到达龙泉山站，请站稳扶好，注意安全。Dear tourists, the train is about to arrive at Longquan Station. Please hold on tight and watch your steps. Be careful on these streets.
Yeah, so let me just take a snap here.
之前我们去过一个，但是没进去，对吧？
We have so many dams. We have the first one, second one, and the third one
各
there
位游客，
on this side
即
here.
将到达龙泉山站，请站
On
稳
the
扶
other
好，
side, I
注
don't
意
see
安全。
anything,
Dear
just
tourists,
trees. Actually, we have a hill here.
他直接把另外一个和他挨着呢，他直接指完了。
So we just arrived in the next station. So we need to.
咱们要在这儿停了。
So I just noticed that we are returning back.
湿地岸线柔美，景观如画。岸边红色的栈道，坡顶的生态驿站点缀，令人赏心悦目。跨过瑞泉高速，大家可以看
So
到。
I think you can just see on this side.
还有
On the
很
upper
多的
side, we
野
have
生
like
白鹭、桃林、茶园、
I don't know if you can see me.
海坪、
This
驿
is
站、
me here.
球场。
So I need just
跑
move
道
up a
城
bit.
市阳台、湿地科普馆、儿童水乐园、溪流两岸，丰富的山水林田湖资源，多元的游赏
see
观光
like
体验，
The
将
waves
京
moving.
城特色
Yeah.
鲜明的美好生活场景。
Yeah. So we are just going back to where we came from. I think that was the last station. 为什么我们在会啊？为什么？
这那边到站了。
啊，到站了啊。哦，OK OK OK. So we are just going back right now, as you can see. So like. So this is what I was telling you. You can see from this side, just moving around of this train. Yeah, to make you very good videos here. You can see this is a train here. Yeah, I'm just using my phone to record. And on the other side, you can just see like the waves moving here. kind of people are just sitting there.
This train is bound for Jiufeng Station. Please hold on tight and watch your steps. Next station is Kaohsiung Fourth Road Station. Tourists who need to get off, please get ready in advance. 高新四路站采用祥如洲洲的设计理
Actually,
念，
we are going
以
back.
现代生态低碳
I
环
think
保
I
为
need
设计原
to
则，
get off the
整体
next
造型
station.
体现人畜融合的形象，融入生态特色而生活意识中，突出景观特性。我们坐在车
Yeah,
上，不仅
it
能
was a
将
very
生
nice
态
experience
永恒的美景
being in this
尽释人
futuristic
意。
train.
同时，我们也是
It has a lot of
中一道美丽的
features,
风景线。
the current features, because first of all, it is being controlled automatically. Second, it's moving upside down, because most train they move and on the top of the rail, but this the rail I mean, but this one is not. It's moving the other way. We are almost there. We need to check so that I order my taxi and go, because it was a very nice experience here. I can't complain. It is worth it, and it's not that expensive. $4 for going and coming back.
到达高新四路站，请站稳扶好，注意安全。Dear tourists, the train is about to arrive at Kaohsiung Fourth Road Station. Please hold
I
on
forgot
tight
which
and watch
train
your
station
steps.
that I
Be
took
careful
off.
and be safe.
Yes, this is the road here.
是啊，这两年没啥用，这两年交不着。
如有需要，可随时联系工作人员，并请勿随意触动车内设备。谢谢您的配合。This train is bound for Jiufeng Station. Please hold on tight and watch your steps. Next station is Kaohsiung Second Road Station. Tourists who need to get off, please get ready.
This trip,
Please get ready.
the trip
in
has
advance.
just ended in this station here. Just ended in this station here. Yeah, goodbye till next time. Goodbye till next time. Let me get off right now.
尊敬的各位游客，您好，高新大道站到了。
It was a nice experience. I can't complain. That's the train. It's moving there. Let me just capture it a bit.
To avoid congestion, please move your step to the middle region.
Yeah, actually two of them, they are moving. Very nice.
游客您好，列车灯闪两响时，请停止上下车，避免加伤，谢谢合作。
在那里去的，那个车要过，我给你拍。
train line
然后这个车过去之后，你拍一张。
Yeah, people are taking photos, and then let me just do like this. So that is the train that I'm waiting for it to, so that I can capture the one on the other side. So let me just wait and see the movement first. Why is it not moving? It has stayed for a long time. It's not moving. Yeah, that's the train. That's the train. That's the train. That's the train is moving. It's moving. It's going. Yeah, like that. Yeah, it has already moved. It was a very nice experience. So this is the welcoming that is showing me. telling me that welcome to Wuhan in Hubei province. Wuhan, I know, is very famous. I don't need to explain that much. So I'm currently in Wuhan in this futuristic train. Yeah, and it's very nice, very, very nice. I had nice experience here, and I'm going back home to another adventure. Yeah, I must have a lot of adventure for you guys too. Yeah, for you guys also to enjoy, to join me. Power. See you.